Streets are quiet, lights are low. Rain is falling soft and slow. No one's calling my name tonight. Just empty roads and yellow lights. Every step feels calm and true. Nothing left I need to prove. I walk alone in the rain again, with my loyal dog right by my side. No gold, no crown, no need to pretend. Just wet footsteps and a peaceful mind. Yeah, I'm happy, can't explain. Walking home in the rain. Pause on pavement, steady beat. World slows down with every street. People rush, but I don't mind. I've got time, I've got tonight. No fear hiding in the dark. Just a man, a dog, a spark. I walk alone in the rain again, with my loyal dog right by my side. No gold, no crown, no need to pretend. Just wet footsteps and a peaceful mind. Yeah, I'm happy, can't explain. Walking home in the rain. Let the sky wash off my days. All the noise just fades away. In this moment, nothing's wrong. Silence feels like home. I walk alone, but not alone. Two shadows moving through the night. If this is all I ever own, it's more than enough for this life. Yeah, I'm happy, simple and plain. Just me, my dog, and the rain.